Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you that after we have built the blogging web pages at our FreeToast host website, how to build a comment session relevant to each blogging article. As we have learned that in the previous tutorial, we can build a blogging site inside the FreeToast host website. As you can see from this FreeToast host website, we have built a blogging site. Here it's called Entrepreneurs Blogs. Once we click in, we can see a list of blogging articles uploaded here for the reading of our members or the visitors. But if you scroll down to the bottom of the article, you can see there is no comment section, which is extremely popular at those paid websites such as WordPress or Wix. Almost all those paid website design providers are providing very fancy interactive session or comment session at each of the blogging article. But we all know FreeToast host website is mainly focused on the club meeting agenda or membership development. It doesn't really provide a lot of resources to build this kind of interactive session to our blogging site. But can we find a way to build this kind of interaction sessions through these limited resources available at the FreeToast website? The answer is yes. As you can see from this blogging article at the FreeToast website, if you scroll down to the bottom of the article, you can see there is a leave a comment session where the reader can input some info and their comments, and then this website will convert them into the list of the comments in a timely order, and to track the correspondence between the readers and this website. It provides almost the same service as those paid service where they mainly rely on some so-called plug-in technology or widget technology. But here we can get around this technology totally free of charge. Here I will show you how to realize this function for our blogging articles. Let's dive. So in order to save those comments to our local address, we need to build a kind of form under our drive, and then build a spreadsheet to store those comments or so-called data that can convert back to the FreeToast host website where we have our blogs. So we need Google Drive, Google Form, and Google Spreadsheet. For those who are not sure how to build those spreadsheet or forms, please refer to those tutorials that are commonly available at YouTube tutorials. Here I have built a form as the correspondence to my blog article number 1. This form only has very simple sessions. One session is the name of this reader who is going to input his or her comments. Second session is email. The third one is the comments that he or she wants to input to this article. For the responses side, we need to hook this form up to the spreadsheet, also under this Google Drive. This is to connect all those comments in terms of data through different sessions, like when, who is that, and what his or her email is, and store them right here when we need those data to build those comments display, and we can use them right back to our FreeToast website blogging site. Okay, now assuming we have built this Google form spreadsheet to have this interface as the form, to have this spreadsheet as the data storage, we are ready to build this interaction session at our blogging site. Now I'm going to show you that after we have uploaded one blogging article, how to transfer this Google form to the bottom of this article to build an interface as the comment session to collect those input from the readers. Here we have uploaded this article. In this blogging site, it is the article number 6. For this article, we have built a form. Here I call it comments for blog number 6. As you can see, we quickly built this simple form here. And then we go to this responses session where it will ask you where you want to save those comments or the data collected through those forms. And here there is an icon of spreadsheet. You click that, it will ask you in order to store those data, you want to create a new spreadsheet or you just want to select some existing spreadsheet. Of course, we should go selecting the existing spreadsheet because we have been running those blogging articles for a while. We do have a form or a spreadsheet that connects or saves all those inputs from those blogging articles. We click select that, and here it shows the list of spreadsheet available under this Google Drive. Of course, in this case, we have one form here, which we have been using for a while. So we click this form and click select. Now it will bring you to this form where it automatically builds a sub form here, which is called the form responses number 6. That means this spreadsheet is ready to collect whatever data that comes in through the form, which is called comment for blog number 6. After we have all this preparation, and then we shall go to this send. The reason is we need to have this web page code where we can embed this form into this FreeToast web page. We can see here there is a embed icon where you can find the code for this form where you can embed this to wherever at the web page. And you copy this, then this form is ready for wherever you can copy this code to the website. So now we have the embedded code for our Google form ready. We see how we can bring that into our blogging page. Here is the newly uploaded blogging article. Let's get into the editing page of the FreeHost website. Here we come down to the bottom and we see we get into one new line, and let's get to the source code where we can implement with this code. And here we found that there is one line for one paragraph, and here we can copy that embedded code we just got from our Google form. Here you can see we put all this code here at this line, and then we go back to the source page. As you can see, there is one icon as an iframe, and we go save. And close the page. As you can see, boom, here it is. The form is ready. And it's ready to collect the comments from the readers or whoever it is right here. And there is a scrolling bar here. You can move up and down about this form to save some original space at this page. And I gave you a example how to input as a general reader. Once you are here, how to input your comments and how this form will be corresponding to your comments here. Let's say your name. I will input as XD. Email. Let's see. And then this is a test. Submit. Here it is. Okay, let's then go back to our spreadsheet. See, form responses number 6 already have one right here with email address, and this is a test right here. What do you do? Of course, this is a free service. We are not getting everything that is automatically processed. Once you have info here, you have to copy these comments and paste them right here underneath this blogging article. So here it is, the new blogging article that we just uploaded that, and then also we have received a comment as I just show you how to input that comment through the Google form and Google spreadsheet. How to get those comments into right here into this blog site. I'm going to show you here. Firstly, we want to go to the identity page of this blogging page. I would recommend you to enlarge this identity page. Here, as you can see, we already have a space. I put that into the central position for the input, where you can see that the session aligned with the iframe underneath, which is the Google form. I already copy and paste those comments word by word here. So I paste them here quickly here. That is different session. This is totally up to you how to design the structure of this comment. You can give the comments and then followed by the name of this reader and the date he or she input this comment and then the content of the comment. And you can adjust the font a little bit, make them a little smaller, and then go back to save. And close that. That will update this page and go down. See, boom, it's right here. You got one more, and then you get one more. You copied it and paste it right here underneath the first comment, and then you go down and down. In this way, you build a fully functional interactive session or comment session for each of your blogging articles. I hope this session is helpful.